Hi mate, have you ever wondered what PowerShell developers were thinking while they were creating PowerShell? They definitely thought about how to make this wonderful product as easy as possible. This genius knew nobody could ever remember all the commands at the same time. And that's why they gifted us three simple and brilliant ways to find any commands we need. They made all the commands in verb and noun format. They also provided an option to retrieve forgotten command using get command and to view help for any commands using get help camlets. We will look in detail at each one. Each camlet in PowerShell follows an easy to remember pattern called verb noun pattern. The verb tells PowerShell what action to perform and the noun specifies the object or resources you want to work with. Verb specifies the action and noun is object. For an example, if I need to get all the processes, I can use verb as a get, then process. It will fetch all the processes in my PC. As in another example, if I need to get all the services in my PC, I can use get, then service. But here I'm not typing the services, I'm just pressing the tab key. This will autofill the camlets. Here you can see we got the get service. If I enter, it will fetch all the services in my PC. Next, we will learn about get command utility or the camlets. Get command. Think of get command as PowerShell's built-in command search engine. Type it in and it shows you every camlet, function and script that's available in your session. For an example, if you want to see all the camlets that have the word process, you can type get command, then a star key, then process, then again the start. It will list all the commands which have the word called process. Want only the commands that get something? You can type get command, then the parameter called verb, then get. This will list you all the available camlet to get something. It's like saying PowerShell, show me what you can do, and it answers instantly. Get help. Get help is basically your built-in PowerShell coach. It tells you what a command does, what parameter it accepts, and even gives you copy-paste examples you can run right away. Let's say you want to discover a command using get command that have the verb get and a noun service. This will give you get services camlets. Cool. Now what? Now I really want to use it. I really want to learn how to use it. So we can use get help command. Then I can paste these camlets that I got using the command get command. Then I will paste this camlets called get service. Then I will use another parameter called examples. If you're running get help for the first time, PowerShell may pop up a message saying a newer help version is available. Do you want to run update help? That's normal. It's just asking you if you want to download latest help files. Type Y so your examples and instructions are fresh and accurate. Once help loads, you might see a response like this. It is mentioning what this camlet will do and it will show you some examples. We can go to the example number 4. Here it's mentioning get services that begin with a search string and an exclusion. And it's detailing mentioning that this example only gets the services which service name begin with win except for the WinRM services. That means if I in my PC have any services starting with WIN letter, it will fetch all the services that having the letter WIN at the starting. Then it will exclude one services that's called WinRM. Let's try this and we will see what will happen. Here you can see it's fetch all the services which having word win but excluded WinRM services. If I remove the parameter called exclude, it will fetch the WinRM services as well and its status. So today we have learned that every PowerShell camlet follows the EC verb-noun pattern, which makes command simple to guess. We saw how get command help us find any camlets available and how get help explains exactly how to use it with real world examples. And remember, if it's your first time running get help, you might get a prompt to update. Just to type Y to keep your help files fresh. That's for today's session. In next one, we will dive even deeper into PowerShell and explore more powerful commands. Until then, keep practicing and I will see you in next lesson. Bye for now.